Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Dynamo Lab. In today's video, we will learn what a computer network is and explore its four main types. So, what is a network? A network is a group of computers connected to each other to share information and communicate following a set of rules called protocols. There are four main types of computer networks: local area network, personal area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network. Local area network. A LAN connects system in a small area like a school building, office or home. It's inexpensive, uses technologies like Ethernet, and can connect multiple computers using cables. It allows for fast data transfer and it's highly secure. Advantages of LAN include high speed, security, easy setup and management. But there are also disadvantages. It works only in small areas. There may be a hardware cost for initial setup. Personal area network is the smallest type of network, often used to connect personal devices like phones, tablets, laptops, and smartwatches. It uses Bluetooth or infrared and works within a range of around 10 meters. Perfect for daily use, used by one person. Advantages of PEN: easy to set up, secure for personal use, conven- low cost and convenient. Disadvantages: very limited range, lower speed, not suitable for scaling up, can have signal interference. A metropolitan area network covers a large area, such as a city or town. It's used by businesses and government to connect citizens and organizations. Examples include cable TV networks and citywide internet services. Technologies like Ethernet, ATM, and token ring can be used to build a MAN. Advantages of MAN: covers a wide area than LAN, good speed and efficient communication. But there are some disadvantages: more complex to set up, expensive to maintain. Wide area network. A WAN connects devices across countries. The internet is the largest example of WAN. WAN use technologies like telephone lines, satellites, and fiber optics. They are mostly used by governments and large corporations. Advantages of WAN: global coverage, can connect multiple smaller networks. Disadvantages: slower than LAN or MAN, more expensive, security risks are higher. So now you know the four main types of computer networks: LAN, MAN, PAN, and WAN, each designed for different trains and purposes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more simple and clear tech lessons. See you in the next one.